Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to add text on a video when you have audio on your video. So you need to have speaking audio on the video like this. Hello guys, so you need to have audio to work this. So okay, and the first thing you need to go is go to the subtitles. Once you enter the subtitles, you need to click the subtitles menu right here. Click that and click speech to text and click that. Then you guys can choose the language and maximum length. And once you choose your option, you guys can click any option you like. So I click OK. Once you're OK, you would see right here the extracting audios, the speech to text, extracting audio. These are completed. So it's depend on the video length. So my video is short. So if you guys have about 10-minute long video, it would take some time to finish. So I have short video, so it quickly give me the text that I want. So let's hear the hello guys. So you guys cannot see the text, but the text are generated right here. So you guys need to click the subtitle menu again and generate text on timeline. Click that and select OK. And once you do that, the text would be appear on the video as you guys can see. So let me click play and let's hear it. Hello guys, so you want to disable the damage, tilt. So yes guys, that's how you guys can put the text onto the video in Shotcut. So you guys can probably see my video is the FPS is dropping, but don't care about it guys, because it's because of this text. If you export the video would be fine. Don't worry about it. And I would recommend you guys to add these subtitles on the last minute of your editing. So if you guys finishing the edit, I would recommend you guys to add the subtitles at the last moment in the editing timeline. So yes guys, that's how you guys can edit so that's it guys. So that's how you guys can put subtitles on the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my video and see you guys in the next video. Peace.